Hi and welcome to my new video, and once again on a review I have a G-Shock premium model watch. It's an understatement to say that this watch is excellent. I've had the opportunity to review many G-Shocks premium models too, but I can safely say that this watch is the best, quality-wise. The buttons are rugged, yet smooth and very well made. The crown is almost hidden, not too hard to operate. And all the bolts that hold the watch structure are somehow streamlined with the case. They don't pop out. The symmetry is definitely there. Just look at this caseback. It's a story for itself. The strap is rubber, but two-tone, and even that is done in a subtle manner. Under the black outer layer is the bluish layer that's in contact with your skin. And we come to the buckle and strap holder. All metal, no shortcuts there. Heavy duty. The dial of the watch is not too busy. Let me zoom in to show you. Don't get me wrong, it has the tons of little markings and functions, but it's not in your face. It does its basic function, reading a time and flicking your wrist. Even the illumination is classy. Just look at the dimming effect when the light is turned on or off. And here is the Lume shot. This is like every other G-Shock. It can survive drops. It's 200 bar water resistant, or that's the 200 meters, and on and on and on. I will mention its triple G resist, which means shock, centrifugal force, vibration resist. It can survive all sorts of crazy, which can be hard for analog watches. It has a sapphire crystal and a mirage of other G-Shock things I won't pretend to understand much. The sub-dial at 12 o'clock is a 24-hour day and night indicator for the main time display. The lower sub-dial alternatively shows the time in a second time zone and the stopwatch/timer, both of which are capable of recording a countdown, counting down a full 24 hours. Another sub-dial at 9 o'clock shows your latitude, while a display at the very bottom varies displays the day of the week, mode selection, and longitude. The Casio GPW-2000 doesn't just feature GPS but also Bluetooth. Doesn't that make it a smartwatch? Perhaps, but not in that sense that it has a touchscreen and needs to be charged on a daily basis. Timepieces such as this represent the Casio's latest effort in their ongoing mission to have useful watches that you never need to fiddle with. The watch recharges the internal battery using a sunlight or an ambient light, and the GPS and other functions that are mainly included in order to ensure that the time and calendar settings are always accurate, no matter where you are in the world. Gravitymaster is the term the Casio uses for their nicer pilot team watches. So there are also some features in this timepiece which are intended for aviators of all kinds. It's not a watch for the shy and retiring, and the chunky. Tank-like over-engineering won't appeal to everyone. I love the style and the many fine details, such as exposed carbon fiber on the strap, the effective LED light, and the large face with at-a-glance date and time. It's a statement-making watch that borders the indestructible and is completely unlike anything in the smartwatch world. And the size of the case and the total weight of the GPW-2000 is 120 grams, and the dimensions are 66 millimeters times 57.1 and 18.1 millimeters in thickness. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch content. Thanks.